Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a leveling leg on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the anti-tip bracket. Depending on which leg you're replacing, support the front or rear of the appliance with a wood block or a comparable sturdy object. You can use pliers to help unthread the old leg. Install the new leveling leg by threading it into the base. Determine if the range is level from side to side and front to back. If not, adjust one or more of the leveling legs to raise or lower the range as necessary. With the range level, push the appliance back into place, making sure the rear leg is secured in the anti-tip bracket. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.